Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you how to use Safelists and email marketing to generate leads and sales. I'm going to send emails out to 620,000 prospects in the next few minutes. And the first one is Hercules, which has 339,000 members. And what I've done, I've auto-populated most of these just so I can show you, save time. With Hercules, you can email for free 1,000 every single day. Just going to click submit ad. And I'll just talk you through each of these individually. So you'll see that's gone out to 339,696 members. And the next one is My Lead Gen Secret. And My Lead Gen Secret is where you get 100 to 200 leads every single day. I'll go into mailing system here, and you'll see with My Lead Gen Secret, I've done other videos on all of these. So if you go onto my onto my channel, you'll see here 167,000 leads today I'm going to email out to. And My Lead Gen Secret is 100% tier 1 leads, and it all includes buyers. So I'm going to just click on load here, and that just auto populates yesterday's email. I'm going to come down here, My Lead Gen Secret. It's got a done for you autoresponder built into it. I'm going to send mail. And I've done a video recently on my channel how you get your traffic for free. So the key thing is I get all of this traffic for free because I promote traffic on my channel and I promote traffic within these traffic sites. So I recommend you promote traffic and get your traffic for free. European Safe List. The great thing about these sites is if you're brand new, you've got a done for you audience. So if you haven't got an email list yet, or you haven't got a following on any of your social media channels, then you can, this is like a done for you list. And we're using lead capture pages, and we're taking the prospects on here onto our own list. So this one today, I'm going to do 10,000 European Safe List and send. And that's gone out there. The next one is Proactive Mailer. I like Proactive Mailer because the owner Phil, he cleans out this list on a consistent basis. So your offer's only seen to active members that are actually clicking on the emails that you're sending out. That's going to go out to 2,952. I'll put links in the description to all of these. Majority of these are free to join. I'm going to click send. And then you'll see here I'm using the lead capture page. So I'm taking the members of the safe list onto my own list when they opt in. And that's the key thing. Don't just promote to a sales page. Use safe list mailers. Use a lead capture page in safe list mailers so you can take the done for you audience onto your own list. This is Land Marketing Mailer. Land Marketing Mailer's got a high percentage of tier 1 traffic. It's got a small audience, but I like it because it's got a high percentage of tier 1 traffic. You'll see there I'm using a lead capture page here. Just confirm my site. This one here, Mr. Safelist, the owner Jerry, he's been marketing Safelist marketing for 15 years. So I might just save that one because I edited that one earlier. I'm going to send that one out there within Mr. Safelist. The next one here is called Pangea by Marianne Myers. She's a traffic expert. She's been creating traffic sites for the last 20 years. And you'll see here, this has got up to 129,000 members. And Some of these I can email every day. Some of them I can email every 3 days. And you get an option here of which one to send. I'm going to go on my proof video on that one. How many credits to use? 10,000, going out to 10,000 members today with that one. All right, it says I've already emailed today, which I haven't, but I'll look at that later. State of the art mail has got 44,000 members. It's been around now for, I think, about 15 years, this site. Very recognized in the industry. So we're going to send an email there. That's already said mail complete. That's already gone out. And these are, the next three are traffic sites by Darren Olander. If you're not familiar with Darren Olander, he's been in the industry about 15 years. He's a traffic expert. And if you go onto my channel and look at Prosperity Marketing System, that's owned by Darren Olander. And that's been going since 2009. So I like Darren's traffic because he's been around and is known, liked and trusted within the industry. So going to go to send mail here. And that's my lead capture page there. That's gone. Another one by Darren Olander called List Surfing. And we're going to send mail here. That's going to do a little frame breaker test to make sure your page loads correctly. And the last one by Darren Olander is Adcheaver. So I'm going to give you a free ebook now. I'll show you this free ebook. Let's just send this last one here. So all of those emails have now gone out to 620,000 prospects. I do recommend that you reinvest your profits and upgrade so you can reach a larger audience. This is a free ebook by Jerry Iannucci, the owner of Mr. Safelists. And this is a free ebook, and Jerry's put this ebook together. Jerry is an absolute veteran in the Safelists marketing industry and a grandmaster. And what he's done is created this ebook here that teaches you how to become successful with Safelists. So you got all this, just click here for it's free, click here for instant access. What I'll probably do is I'll probably pin this ebook, a link to this ebook, to the top comment below this video, so you can get your ebook there by Jerry, and you can learn from an absolute veteran and grandmaster of how to use Safelists to become successful in affiliate marketing. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, and that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And I think if anybody who will get value from this video, then please share it as well. I do recommend that you take some profits and you upgrade within these traffic sites, because that way you start to reach a larger audience. So if you've got an offer that converts, all you've got to do is reach a larger audience, and you can do that by upgrading. And then you can also, by promoting these sites, you can also earn monthly recurring commissions. Most of them have got free memberships. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about Safelists marketing or any of these sites that I've used today, please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So you can get more information on each of these platforms within in the description. And then this video here will teach you how to get your traffic for free with my lead gen secret, that one there that I've just created. But I've also got playlists on my channel that you can watch. I've done videos on each and every one of those sites that I've shown you today. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.